Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete your search history on Google Maps. If you've been using Google Maps frequently, you might want to clear out your search history for privacy reasons or simply to declutter your activity log. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps interface where you can access all your mapping and navigation features. Once the page loads, you'll want to look toward the left side of your screen. On the left side, you'll see a menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this menu icon to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click on your data in Maps. This section is where Google stores all your activity and preferences related to Maps, making it the central hub for managing your data. After clicking your data in Maps, a new tab will open in your browser. This new page contains various settings and information about how Google Maps uses and stores your data. You'll need to scroll down through this page until you find a section labeled Web and App Activity. This is where Google keeps track of your searches and interactions within Maps and other Google services. Under the Web and App Activity section, you'll notice an option that says See and Delete Activity. Click on this link to access your detailed activity history. This will take you to a page where you can view all your recent searches and interactions with Google Maps. Now comes the important part. Look for the Delete button on this page and click it. You'll be presented with several options for how much of your history you want to remove. The choices typically include Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, Delete All Time, or Auto Delete. Each option gives you different levels of control over your data removal. For this example, click Delete Today. This will remove all the search history and activity from Google Maps that occurred during the current day. If you had chosen Delete Custom Range, you could specify exact dates. Delete All Time would clear everything, while Auto Delete lets you set up automatic deletion on a schedule. And that's it. Your Google Maps search history for today has been successfully deleted. This simple process helps you maintain better control over your digital footprint and keeps your Maps activity private. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.